So I'm a dentist, and you are wondering, well, how can you add value to my life in terms of health? Let me tell you this. There's two main ways. One is inflammation. The number one source of inflammation in your entire body is the health of your gums. And it's all caused by the plaque and tartar, which is bacteria that causes inflammation. And inflammation there means the inflammation response or cells in your body are in your bloodstream. Number two is your ability to get proper nutrition by eating properly. So if you're missing a lot of back teeth where you chew on your food, guess what? You're eating a lot of soft, starchy foods. What does that add? That adds more fat, you become a little bit more obese, adds diabetes. The health problems continue from the lack of proper nutrition because you want to be able to chew. So when you think about providing a good overall healthy body, it all starts with your mouth, with a proper nutrition and inflammation. You need to come see us. Don't be scared.